In this video, I want to show you how to use wrist straps and explain how using wrist straps will give you more power and strength and help you overload the targeted muscle group so you can build muscle faster. And I have an invitation for you to join me in my Manformation Workouts for Older Men members only website. Instant access, lifetime access, absolutely free. I'm going to explain that to you and a lot more in this video. Progressive overload is the key to building more muscle faster. On certain pulling movements, like when you train your back, it's important that you lift a lot of weight. You can always tell when someone has a lot of time in the gym and they've done their work by a thick, developed back. One challenge when you are training your back is when you're doing the pulling movement, the grip, using the grip strength. If you're using a lot of weight, it might be tough for you to hold that grip, or there's too much tension on your forearms and even your biceps when you're doing pulling movements like when you're training your back. That's where wrist straps come in. Wrist straps can make your hand one with the apparatus, the bar, the dumbbell, so that you don't have to worry about your grip. It becomes one with the hand, the weight, and so you can put that continuous tension right on the targeted muscle group on the back. All right, so let me show you how to use wrist straps. Again, they're a great way to overload the targeted muscle group without using grip strength, and they cost under $10 US dollars. All right, it's a great way to hit that targeted muscle group. So let me show you how to use them. All right, first of all, using this, we want to just come around with our thumb and our index finger. We wrap around as much as we can, in this case the dumbbell. All right? Once we get it as tight as we can, then we turn the dumbbell in our hand, making it as tight as we can. Again, so that the apparatus, in this case the dumbbell, it could be a barbell, it could be any type of cable V-bar, it becomes one with your hand. And then we just can row. All of the tension is on my back and I don't have to worry about my grip. And again, it allows me to lift more weight to hit that targeted muscle group. See a lot of men in the gym using a lot of forearm strength, a lot of biceps on these pulling movements where wrist straps can really help them alleviate that tension on their grip, and they don't have to worry about it and lift more weight. Now, there's one train of thought is if I don't use wrist straps, it will give me more strength in my grip. It'll improve my grip. And I appreciate that argument. It's just that with forearms or grip development, indirectly the forearms will be worked in all of your body part workouts just about, whether it's chest or shoulders, you're always gripping. And you can do direct grip work, forearm work, and other workouts. Again, during these pulling movements, to develop a thick back, it's important that you really overload it. It's a tough muscle to hit, it's a tough muscle to overload, and wrist straps will really help you hit that targeted muscle group with more weight. Again, progressive overload is the key to building more muscle faster, and wrist straps can help you do that on all of your pulling movements. I want you to take our relationship even further. I want to give you free, instant, lifetime access into my Manformation Workouts for Older Men members only website. Free access, instant access. I'll personally issue you a username and password to training routines, nutrition advice, motivation, and a lot more. All of the information and inspiration is designed for you, a man who's a little bit older with a busy, productive life, and you must make fitness a higher priority. The effective and efficient use of your willpower, focus, energy, and time. Go to manformationworkouts.com. Fill out the questionnaire. Tell me where you are now. Tell me where you want to go. What are your fitness goals? I want to help you get there. What are the challenges that you're facing? Fill out that questionnaire thoroughly. Go to manformationworkouts.com. Fill out the questionnaire. Tell me all about your story. If I can see you are passionate and dedicated, I'll reach out to you. Maybe by text, maybe by email, maybe by a phone call when you fill out the questionnaire thoroughly and you tell me about your situation and see what I can do to help you get some clarity and confidence moving forward. So go to manformationworkouts.com, get free, instant, lifetime access into my Manformation Workouts for Old Men members only website, training routines, nutrition advice, motivation, and a whole lot more. It's absolutely free. Fill out the questionnaire and maybe I'll be reaching out to you. If you like this powerful information and inspiration, make sure that you like this video. Post your comments down below. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll make sure that I answer them for you. Make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and make sure that you visit my skiplacour.com website. Visit it often. I have a whole library of videos, podcasts, blog posts for you if you're a little bit older. You have a busy, productive life, and you must take your health and fitness to the next level.